Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois, where you're going to find over 200 classic muscle and modern vehicles that we own. You can check them all out at MGMClassicCars.com. If you guys need financing, it's not a problem. If your credit score is between 630 and 770, you will need obviously good credit and 10% down of the purchase price. You can roll in all of your list of options. We have a full service department. Rates start at about 8%. You can check out that application at MGMClassicCars.com. If your score is over 775, please text me and I'll give you my lender's direct phone number for rates starting at 6.99, no money down option, unsecured loan. You will find all these cars at MGMClassicCars.com, guys. I'm sure something will tickle your fancy. Now let's get to the next video. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, gals, Thomas here at MGMClassicCars.com, and today I got an oldie but a goodie, guys. This is an original, yes, an original 1957 Chevrolet real Bel Air car, guys. It's got its stock V8 engine, automatic transmission. Look at this. Look how clean this thing is. New power brakes. You got new booster, proportion valves, power steering. Vintage air conditioning has been added. And a little chrome alternator, replace some hoses, Napa Battery. Clean interior, guys, on this 57. It's got black standard interior. Look how nice this thing is. Look at this. Carpet to headliner is really, really nice. Nice seats with seat belts. Stock gauges, as you can see there, guys. Real Bel Air, as you can see, right? Okay. Even the clock works on this one, guys. Really, really nice car. Lots of new parts on it. All of the sheet metal appears to be original. We'll talk about that a little bit. The metal appears to be original, guys. I put a magnet all over this car. Chrome trim, weather stripping, emblems, mirrors, really nice. Body is straight down the sides. I'll close this side. On both sides, I mean, it is super straight on both sides. Let me close this door here. You guys can check that out really quick. Look how nice and straight that is. Like I said, I had a magnet all over this car, and it is nice. Factory pinch welds on the doors, guys. I don't see any gook, any BS. Here, let me open this up. Look at these door jambs. Look how nice and solid that is. Newer door sill plates, inner outer jambs are in very good condition. Look at the weather stripping, all nice. Underneath the doors are solid and painted, as you can see. Just take a minute and just observe. Observe how nice this is. I'm gonna stop talking as fast and slow down a little bit here. I took pictures of all the little crevices, guys. This thing is nice. Look at the door panel on both sides. Okay. All right. You got that. Solid trunk, guys. Jack spare tire, rubber mat, all solid underneath the mat. I took pictures. You guys can check that out. I drove this car for 45 miles, and it does drive nice, guys. Cruises very nicely. Car presents very well. Very solid underneath, guys. No patchwork, no rust issues, just a true and honest car. Interior is beautiful, like I said, mostly all new, and everything works, including the radio, wipers, horn, dome light, turn signal indicators, and even the clock. This car was owned by a 98-year-old man collector in Virginia and was just purchased from his daughter. It's a good car, guys. No stories, prevents very well. Hasn't been bounced around from dealer to dealer as well. A lot of money spent on this car, guys. I'm gonna walk around and shut everything down. I want you guys to see the car in its format with everything closed. Now remember, I did take pictures. You guys can check all of that out on our website. So do a quick walk around. You guys can look how this beauty looks. Now, if you guys wanted to add a wheel and tire package, let me know. I can get any wheel and tire package and have it installed, mounted, balanced for you guys as well. That, yes, will be an additional cost. Okay? But it's got that cool, old school, vintage, classic look the way she sits right now, guys. I'll check out those reverse lights while they're staying on. So the car will be going through service before delivery as well. Now, maybe we can take it for a test drive. Maybe. All right, guys. Trade-ins are welcome. If you have something, you can text me pictures and some information. My name's Thomas. This is my place here. Our MGM Buy It Now price, guys, we were going to list this car for about $52.5. I got this car listed at $49,995. Okay. Financing is available. Down payment, if you're looking to finance, starts at $5,000. Long-term loan are available, guys. It keeps your payment super low. No prepayment penalties on any of my loans. You can pay them off at any time. Your monthly payment is as low as $525 with approved credit. Sales tax and delivery can be financed and rolled into your loan. You must have good credit. If your score is between 630 and 775, you will need the $5,000 down. Rates start around 8%. If your score is over 775, I have a no money down option, guys. Unsecured loan. Rates start at about 6.5%. Up to an 84-month term. How to get started? Well, apply today on our website at mgmclassiccars.com. If you need delivery, you can call or text me for a delivery quote at 847-848-1850. I will repeat that number again. Vehicles are all sold as is condition. Viewing is by appointment only. We do welcome you guys to come check it out. Why buy from MGM? Well, I own over 200 cars here, guys. We put our money where our mouth is. We own our inventory. We don't do consignments, don't want to do consignments. Maybe I'll do consignments for a friend. Maybe, I don't know. No inflated commissions, guys. Buy with confidence, 100% positive feedback on eBay. And I have over 500, yes, I said it, 500 five-star reviews. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., guys. This is our place here, over 200 cars. Check them all out at mgmclassiccars.com. My name's Thomas. Once again, call or text me with any questions, or if you need delivery, you can call or text me at 847-848-1850. I'm sorry that we couldn't go for a test drive. I will fire this thing up before I end the video, but we got snow outside. Okay, let me fire this thing up. I want you guys to check it out, and then we'll end the video. Nice and smooth, like clockwork, guys. Beautiful. What do you think? All right. I look forward to talking to you guys. Bye-bye.